YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Sledgexl, knows my channel Sledgexl. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any notifications when I post new videos. Yo, today I've got yet another unboxing. I've had this in my collection, I've rocked it, but I just realized I never did any video on it. So I just wanted to do a little quick video on this and how to rock it and how I rock mine. Let me know if you own one of these and how you rock yours. So without further ado, size 10, this is gonna be the Jordan 13 white true red black, and they call it He Got Game 13. Yeah, I quite remember when I grabbed it, I was so excited, you know, I picked it up. But anyways, let's dive into the box. Obviously I got it from Finish Line, and the price was $200 with the taxes, $190 with the taxes and everything, came up to $206.34. Okay, all right. So He Got Game, you know, the Game 13s. I think I've rocked it like twice now. Yeah, for a very short time in the day, but yeah, whatever. Anyways, so decent, clean shoes. This is like one of the most cleanest Jordan 13s that I have ever owned. Okay. The colorway speaks for itself. I like the black and white and just a little touch or accents of red in it. It kind of like gives it like a subtle little pop, and I like it, you know, like beautiful shoes. So a little bit tumble over here on the side panels. You've got the hologram in green and Jumpman in there, black midsole, white, red bottoms with the green hologram, Jumpman over there. The bottoms, at the back is the same thing, green, black running all the way to the sides of the shoe. Toe box area is black, tumbled leather, really soft and plush. Rope lacing, these laces are not, they are rope, but they are not as big as the rope laces on the Jordan 11s, the lows and the highs, but still rope lacing right there. Shoe tree out right there, and you know, the thong size 10 I cut. Insoles, let me see if I can bring it out, see if I cannot. Oh, it's too glued down there. I'm not gonna try and rip anything right there. But anyways, decent shoe. How do you rock yours? Any black and white is gonna go very well with these. As a matter of fact, like when it comes to jerseys, like the soccer jerseys, this gonna go very well with the Juventus jersey. Like right there, you know, really clean jersey, and you could do your off-white or light blue jeans distress, or you could also do black with these. I feel like because the colors are like the basic colors, black and white, it's gonna go with a lot of outfits. You could do white t-shirt, black jeans, black t-shirt, black jeans, you know, anything that you do, white cap with the black accents, black cap, white accents, it's gonna go very well with these. All right, let me know how you style yours. Let's jump into the on feet real quick so how you know how it looks on my feet. And until I see you next in my other videos, peace out.
Yeah. I used to be used to. I used to be used to. I used to be used to. I used to cry till it hurt. I used to cry till it hurt. I will love to the heavens when it's my time gonna come. I used to be used to, but I never got used to being what I used to be. Yeah. Said I used to be used to, but I never got used to being what I used to be. Yeah.
Where I'm from, every night it gets colder. Mom was never sober, wishing I was older. Then I went to a foster home and they told us everything was gonna be alright, and they showed us how to shine bright, sparkle like the sunlight. But I knew deep inside I was thug life. Ain't nothing changed but the way I stay humble. I ain't never had none, I was from the gutter. Me and my little sister had to struggle hard. No dad, big brother had to do his part. I swear to God that I love my family to the death. I came from nothing, so I know when there's nothing left. Last breath, stumble to my last steps. I'ma be right there when there's no cash left. Old shoes, holes in my clothes, thugging. Ain't nobody bought me shit, so I started hustling.
used to be a used to. I used to be a used to. I used to grind in the dirt.